Before I even think about opening this package, guys, I want to thank Tony over at Furitek for contacting me for this. This is some new guys from Furitek. So I'm going to go ahead and open it and show you what we have. And guys, make sure you stay tuned because I got something exciting coming up pretty soon. It's something a lot of guys have been asking about. As usual, guys, you need a handy dandy unboxing knife. Make sure you check the link below. Let's go ahead and open this thing. Guess you guys can see that goodness. And you know what that's for. It's something that hadn't been on the channel for a while. So make sure you stay tuned. Once again, I want to thank Tony over at Furitek for sending me this. We'll have this in one of those mini bees pretty soon. And guys, I want y'all to help me decide which one we're going to put it in. These things are dusty, dusty, dusty. They've been sitting on the shelves. But it's time. Tony made this possible. Do we put it in this one? Of course, we're not going to run Force S on it, but do we put it in this chassis or do we put it in this chassis? What do you guys think? Everybody's pretty much familiar with what's in this one and what's in this one as well. Which one do you guys think I should put it in? You guys let me know below in the comments. Thanks for watching.